Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on revision exercises part 1. These are just some exercises revising what we've done in the past few videos. And what I'll do, I will leave the video on, that is each slide on, for about 15 to 20 seconds, and I would encourage you to pause the slide for as long as you want. Read the questions carefully and answer the questions on a sheet of paper, and then I will move on to the next slide and we'll keep going, and you will find the answers at the end so you can check how you went. So I'll keep quiet for about 10 seconds now and I'll leave you to look at these slides, but pause it for as long as you want. This is the next slide, so I'll leave it on for about 15 seconds. And you can pause it for as long as you want. You can write the answers on a sheet of paper and check the answers later, because they are at the end of the video. And here is the last slide with the questions before we have a look at the answers. So the answers now begin on the next slide. And you can pause this slide for as long as you want to have a look at the answers before you move on to the next slide. I'll just leave it on for about 10 seconds. This is the next slide with the answers. I'll leave it on for 10 to 15 seconds while you check. And remember, you're in full control, so you can pause this slide for as long as you want. And this is the last slide with the answers before we finish up. And I hope you found these revision exercises useful. And I'll have a few more of those as we proceed through the lessons. I'll leave this on for 10 seconds.